Hi friends, this video shows how to delete or clear all fallbacks models. First, let me list all models configured in this OpenClaw setup. Run this command, OpenClaw models list. See, it says 4 models are configured in this setup. So I am going to delete or clear these fallbacks models. You can see it has 2 fallback models. So if you want to list only fallbacks models, you can run this command OpenClaw models fallbacks list. See, it says it has only 2 fallbacks models. So I am going to clear all these models. This is the command OpenClaw models fallbacks clear. Just run this command. So we can clear these fallbacks model using this command, or you can directly edit that configuration file .openclaw/openclaw.json, then restart OpenClaw gateway service. That way also we can clear all fallbacks models. So here you can see it says it's updated that configuration file. So we don't need to update manually, it will automatically update if you use this command. See, fallback list cleared. Let me again run that OpenClaw models fallbacks list command. See, now it's empty. It says none. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.